there's gonna be a huge
Cover your nose like that. Cover your nose. Okay, wait.
Look at that. Looks like there's a tornado coming.
Yeah, cover your nose like that, please.
There's a tornado coming.
Okay, your hand. Cover your nose. No more hold it on here. Okay, hold it like that. Yeah.
There's a wind here.
Cover your nose.
Oh my goodness.
Good job. Cover it.
Tornado's about to occur.
Yeah. Hold your nose.
Oh my goodness.
You okay?
Yeah.
You cover your nose. Yes. Good job.
Oh my goodness. It's literally windy. Why?
Cover your nose, please. Yeah.
There's the car.
It was normal before, remember?
Oh my goodness. My phone's about to blow away.
Okay, amazing. Let me just.
Oh my God. Alright. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Tornado's coming.
Go really quick.
There we go. Oh my goodness, that was so scary. Right? Is there wind? Oh wait, is a tornado coming? Because wind turns into tornadoes. Ah! Oh my goodness! Ah!
Can you close your mouth now?
Ah! It's so scary. Ah! Tornado!
Close your mouth.
Tornado! Tornado!
Close your mouth. Close your nose, please.
Well, this is actually California. Wait, how come there's no tornado here?
Yeah.
There's a jet stream though.
I know it was fine before. Look, oh my God, look at everybody recording. Did you? Did you make a video?
Yeah, but
You can make a YouTube. Go to YouTube.
oh my goodness, that was so windy. And yeah.